How to order on Shein in Canada. First open the Shein app on your phone. Then go to the Me page. Go and click the settings on the top right corner of the screen. Go to location in the settings and find Canada. Just wait for a bit moment until it's processed. Then if you are done with the loading process, you can go back and it is changed into location of Canada and the currency of Canada. After that, you may go ahead to your cart to buy something. If you haven't signed in yet, please make sure to sign in first or log in for new or already have an account users in Shein. Just tap on agree and it is all set for you. After it is all set, add to cart something. After you add to cart something you want, click checkout. But first make sure to add your shipping address and more details when you are checking out and proceeding to buy something from Shein. After you are done with that, and just click save to confirm your shipping address and you are all set to buy from Shein. That's how you order on Shein in Canada. Hope you learned something new with me today. Thank you.